Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Which city in Canada?
I'm from Toronto.
Have you lived there long?
Yes, all my life.
Do you like your hometown?
Yes, I love it.
Is Canada a cold country?
Yes, it's cold in the winter.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to a few places.
Do you like living there?
Yes, it's a beautiful city.
How long have you lived there?
I've lived there for 3 years.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents.
Is your home near the city center?
Yes, it's very close.
What's your neighborhood like?
It's quiet and friendly.
Do you play any sports?
I play football and cricket.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go 3 times a week.
Do you go for morning walks?
Yes, every morning.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I walk for 30 minutes every day.
Do you do yoga?
Sometimes in the evening.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook a little.
Where do you eat lunch?
I eat at the office cafeteria.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I try to stay hydrated.
Do you eat junk food?
Sometimes, but not too much.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, especially carrots and spinach.
What fruit do you eat most?
I eat bananas almost every day.
Do you understand English movies?
A little with subtitles.
Do you repeat English sentences?
Yes, to improve my speaking.
Do you fear speaking in English?
Not much now. I'm getting better.
Do you want to speak fluently?
Yes, that's my goal.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I really enjoy it.
Did you pack your bags?
Yes, I pack my bags.
Are you going by plane?
Yes, I am going by plane.
Is the trip very long?
Yes, the trip is very long.
Are you excited to go?
Yes, I am excited to go.
Will you send me pictures?
Yes, I will send you pictures.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you. I will.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Where did you travel last time?
I went last month.
Do you want to go abroad?
Yes, I want to visit Canada.
Have you ever traveled by train?
Yes, many times.
Do you use public transport?
Yes, I use the metro daily.
Can I help you cook?
Yes, you can help me.
Do you like spaghetti?
Yes, I like spaghetti.
Are you hungry for lunch?
Yes, I am hungry for lunch.
Did you finish your breakfast?
Yes, I finished my breakfast.
Do you want some water?
Yes, I want some water.
Will you pass me the juice?
Yes, I will pass the juice.
Is there any bread left?
No, there is no bread left.
The grass is so green.
Yes, the grass is so green.
Is the dog sleeping now?
Yes, the dog is sleeping now.
What are you watching?
I am watching a movie.
Do you like to play games?
Yes, I like to play games.
Is that a fun show?
Yes, that is a fun show.
Can I watch with you?
Yes, you can watch with me.
Are you reading a book?
Yes, I am reading a book.
Do you like that book?
Yes, I like that book.
Can you turn on the TV?
Yes, I can turn on the TV.
Do you like this weather?
Yes, I like this weather.
Are you ready to sleep?
Yes, I am ready to sleep.
Do you feel any pain?
No, I do not feel pain.
Are you bored now?
No, I am not bored now.
What are we doing later?
We're going out later.
Do you want to go out?
Yes, I want to go out.
Are we going to the store?
Yes, we're going to the store.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and soft music.
Can you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Do you speak any other language?
Yes, I speak Spanish a little.
What language do you want to learn?
I want to learn French.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, for learning purposes.
Do you speak English every day?
Yes, I try to practice daily.
Do you make grammar mistakes?
Yes, but I am improving.
Do you use a dictionary?
Yes, when I need help.
Do you learn new words?
Yes, one word every day.
What new word did you learn today?
Today I learned the word polite.
Do you like writing in English?
Yes, I write small paragraphs.
Are your friends good at English?
Yes, some of them are.
Do you attend English classes?
Yes, twice a week.
What will we have for lunch?
We will have sandwiches for lunch.
Do you want to stay home?
Yes, I want to stay home.
Are you going to see them?
Yes, I am going to see them.
Do you have any plans?
Yes, I have some plans.
Will you call her later?
Yes, I will call her later.
Are you a little tired?
Yes, I am a little tired.
Do you feel sad today?
No, I do not feel sad.
Is everything okay with you?
Yes, everything is okay with me.
Are you having a good time?
Yes, I am having a good time.
How is your mood now?
My mood is very good.
Do you feel happy now?
Yes, I feel happy now.
Are you stressed from exams?
Yes, I am stressed from exams.
Do you go shopping often?
Yes, mostly on weekends.
Where do you buy your clothes?
I buy them from the mall.
Do you like online shopping?
Yes, it's easy and fast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
What time do you leave for work?
I leave at 8 a.m.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
What do you do after work?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you help with housework?
Yes, I clean and do dishes.
Who does the cooking at home?
Usually my mother cooks.
Do you sleep early?
No, I sleep around 11 p.m.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, on my phone.
Do you make your own bed?
Yes, every morning.
What do you do on weekends?
I visit my friends or relax at home.
What's your weekend plan?
I will go to the park.
Is there anything good on?
Yes, there is something good.
Do you want to play a game?
Yes, I want to play a game.
Are you listening to music?
Yes, I am listening to music.
Are you happy now?
Yes, I am happy now.
Do you feel okay today?
Yes, I feel okay today.
Are you a little sad?
No, I am not a little sad.
Do you feel very tired?
Yes, I feel very tired.
Are you having a good time?
Yes, I am having a good time.
Is everything all right?
Yes, everything is all right.
Do you work?
Yes, I am a teacher.
Where do you work?
I work at a local school.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy teaching.
How long have you worked there?
I've worked there for 5 years.
What subject do you teach?
I teach English.
Do you work full-time?
Yes, I work full-time.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I love chocolate.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, chocolate is my favorite.
Do you drink milk daily?
Yes, I drink milk in the morning.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love action movies.
What's your favorite movie?
I like Avengers.
Do you go to the cinema?
Yes, once a month.
Do you prefer books or movies?
I like books more.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, especially mystery novels.
Do you watch YouTube videos?
Yes, every day.
Do you watch the news?
Yes, every evening.
What's your favorite app?
I like YouTube the most.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram and WhatsApp.
Are you a student?
Yes, I study English.
Where do you study?
I study at a language school.
Why are you learning English?
Because I want to speak better.
How long have you studied English?
I've studied for 1 year.
Do you like studying?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
What other subjects do you study?
I also study math and science.
What's your job?
I'm a nurse.
Where do you work?
I work at a hospital.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love helping people.
How long have you been a nurse?
I've been a nurse for 5 years.
Do you like quiet weekends?
Yes, I enjoy peaceful days at home.
Do you want some fruit?
Yes, I want some fruit.
Is our food ready now?
Yes, our food is ready now.
Is our house very big?
Yes, our house is very big.
Is your room very cold?
Yes, my room is very cold.
The sky is so pretty.
Yes, the sky is so pretty.
The flowers are beautiful now.
Yes, the flowers are beautiful now.
Is the air very fresh?
Yes, the air is very fresh.
Is our new sofa comfortable?
Yes, it is very comfortable.
The room is very bright.
Yes, the room is very bright.
Our house is very clean.
Yes, our house is very clean.
What do you do?
I'm a software engineer.
Are you a student?
No, I'm working now.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
Where do you work?
I work at a tech company.
Do you work from home?
Sometimes I work from home.
Do you like your coworkers?
Yes, they're very good.
Do you work on Saturdays?
No, I'm off on weekends.
What time do you wake up?
I woke up at 6 a.m.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What do you do every morning?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Do you eat breakfast daily?
Yes, I never skip breakfast.
What's your father's name?
His name is Ollie.
Is your mother a housewife?
Yes, she stays at home.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I live alone.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Mike.
How long have you known him?
We've been friends for 10 years.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your dog's name?
His name is Mim.
Which floor do you live on?
I live on the 3rd floor.
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, a small one.
Is your neighborhood quiet?
Yes, it's very peaceful.
Is your wife working?
Yes, she works as a nurse.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, we all live in the same house.